Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Crowdman says he was wrong about inflation. Summer stocks, reconciliation, villain is offer help, tricks and feeds. In May, generated inflation rate is only hit in American once again, as the latest U.S. Bureau of Robot Statistics Consumer Price Index report included that inflation in June rose at the fastest rate in over 40 years. U.S. President Joe Biden has been in office for 18 months now, and media reports are beginning to note he was wrong about transitory inflation, and his administration has made diverse claims about inflation peak. Meanwhile, the Biden administration and unfair reports suggest there are saying inflation might have peaked in the U.S. as prices of commodities and oil have dropped in record times. Paul Goldman says he was wrong about inflation. Rarest Mars claims thus are probably better than half that Russia will start next year. On July 30, Bitcoin.com news reported on the June CPE reported noted inflation metrics that month reflected a 99.1% year-over-year increase. The increase in inflation in America recorded in June 2022 rose at the fastest rate since November 1991. The White House at the time noted that the SBE report was already out of date the day the Bureau of Robot Statistics hit the data. Following the latest CPE data, reports noted that was Virginia's Senator Jeff Manchin submitted Biden's climate bill over inventory concerns, while the sitting president has been criticized heavily for the invention. On July 15, senior White House correspondent Sanders Nigerian stated in an editorial that inflation has become Biden's political nightmare. Inflation has jumped, showing that the American economist and Nobel winner Paul Krugman wrote an article for the New York Times noting that he was wrong about inflation. Krugman frankly talked about the American supply, and he maintained that some economists warned it would lead to rising inflation. Gorman said that he, like many other Keynesian economists, were more realistic about the stimulus package. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you